What's going on, guys? Matt over here with Lethal Garage, and today I want to do a video talking about Camaro Fest. So if you guys don't know, Camaro Fest happens every year, well, at least it has for the last 8 years. It has been in different locations, but the last 2 years has been in Bowling Green, Kentucky. It's pretty far from little old SoCal, California, but it's Camaro Mecca, and I want to go down. I want to be a part of the event. I want to drive my car. Last year I went, I just had my car in the show and shine that they had and sitting in the booth. It was a pleasure meeting so many people. It was freaking awesome. So many people on the East Coast, so many people from just all over the US who were there that have also followed the channel, comment, and had just been a part of it, have also been sources of encouragement. Got a chance to shake your guys' hands, got a chance to meet a lot of the people from GM. Just a really cool experience, and one that is sitting with me so well. I'm making the drive out there again because it was just so worth it. So Camaro Fest is taking place, what, 2 weeks from today, a week from today? I leave on Monday next week, so yeah, 2 weeks from today. It will be, is it the 13th and 14th? Yes. I think 12th, 13th, 14th. 12th for the people who want to go racing and whatnot. 13th, I believe, is the Friday, and then the Saturday, there's nothing going on Sunday. But the idea is we're going to be at Beach Bend Raceway, and just hanging out for Camaro Fest. It's going to be hot. It's going to be muggy. There's a chance of thunderstorms, as always. Scattered clouds will probably change before then. But it's going to be good times. And the road trip this time, I'm doing it a little bit differently. It's going to take me quite a bit more time to get out there because we're basically going to drive a certain distance and stop. We're going to stop in Albuquerque, New Mexico first, stay the night there. Then from Albuquerque, we're going to go to, I want to say, is it Fort Smith? It's either Fort Smith or Little Rock. I'll put down below where the stops are in Arkansas, and then from there we're going straight to Bowling Green, Kentucky. And on the way back, we're going to do a different loop, and I haven't quite figured out that journey yet, but we're going to go from Bowling Green, and we're going to actually cut down to Houston, Texas. We're going to stop at Fast Tech's Performance for, a half day, 3/4 of a day, and then I'm going to bonsai it back to California. So technically there'll be 1, 2, 3, 4 stops in total. I'd love to create meet and greets, hangouts, whatever. I'd love to see people's cars. So I'm going to post all the details down below. There's going to be Facebook events that coincide with the stops. I'll put the addresses, all the details. But the stops will be Albuquerque, New Mexico. I want to say it's Fort Smith, Arkansas. Obviously, I'll put it down in the description for sure. And then Bowling Green, Kentucky, obviously Camaro Fest, and then straight down to Houston. And that will be, we'll be driving down on Sunday to get to Houston and then staying the night, and then Monday we'll just be hanging out, all that greatness at Fast Tech for a bit, and then take off to California. So it'll be good times. Hopefully you get some good barbecue, good food, meet some people that I haven't met before. I know a lot of you guys have already reached out asking if I'm going to Camaro Fest. Yes, I'm going. Bringing the car. I'll have the new truck. We think we fixed electrical. Actually, I haven't even checked this morning if we fix the electrical gremlins, but if it unlocks, it does. Here, does it remote start? Yes, yes it does, and it's in tour mode, so we'll kill it, lock it. So I think we fixed the electrical gremlin. It's been sitting for what, 18 hours, no issues. Obviously still starts and locks and all that stuff, so I'm super excited about that. Gonna get the guard detailed this week. Yeah, just getting her dialed in. You're probably like, why are you getting her detailed this week? Well, we leave Monday morning to head out to Kentucky, and because it's a long drive, so we're basically driving, staying the night, getting well rested, then driving again, because last time we did a straight shot with 3 people rotating driving, and I just got no sleep, and I was a zombie the entire trip. I just was. I didn't get any sleep. Every time Adrian was driving, and bless his soul, he's never driven a car and trailer or truck and trailer before, and he would hit those road little and he would swerve, and I just could not sleep. It was not bueno, but that's not going to happen this time. It's going to be great. So potentially new faces along the way for the journey. We'll see. And yeah, I don't know. I know Adrian Ghost Eye is definitely planning on coming. He's driving his car out with his girlfriend. God bless his soul. He's going to go through lots of fuel. And then We're trying to get Maple Fed to come out. He hasn't committed yet, but I think he may be coming. We'll see. If not, sorry, Maple. We wish you were there. And looking forward just to meeting up and seeing all sorts of people. So again, all the details, Facebook events, all that stuff to outline the direct stop locations are down below in the description. If you guys are going to be at Camaro Fest, let me know in the comments below. If not, if you guys are going to be anywhere near the locations on our way out, like Albuquerque or Houston or Arkansas, let me know. I'd love to meet up, see your cars. We're going to be staying at, you know, little hotels, but we'll be there for the evening, probably get dinner and just hang out. So if you guys are in the area or want to drive to the area and you know, show off your car, I'd love to see it. Do some videos around the people I meet and the cars that I see on the way out there. Just would love to see it. So either or, Camaro Fest 8, here we come. Can't wait to shake Mike Lee's hand again and the whole team putting on that massive event. It's a really fun time. So, and I'm pretty sure GM's going to be there with all the 2019 cars. And I'll get, hopefully, an up-close look at all the different cars and give you my true opinion of the 19 after seeing it in person and probably in multiple colors and different variants. So, yes, that's it. So, likes, comments, shares, appreciate it, guys. If you have not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Support the channel. Check out the videos. Lots of Camaro stuff, lots of truck stuff, lots of Lethal Garage shenanigans coming, and all sorts of other plans. And for all of those who have hit subscribe, thanks for being a part of the Lethal family, checking out these videos. And until next time, or Camaro Fest 8, hope to see you on the road.